Hello and welcome to Lake Jud. Kayaking with Jud on Lake Jud. We're setting out from our cypress tree. Let's take a look at that. Recently trimmed so I could get my mower under it. There it is. And we'll see it's stunted because of the trees growing around it, keeping it from getting any taller. So it's kind of more like a shrub than a tree. I'm not worried about it drowning because cypress are fine in the water. The pines are the things that get killed by the water. I lost all my pines long ago. But there you go. Just paddle out here into the lower 40 and have a look around while we're waiting for power to still be restored. They're over on the corner, but they're waiting for a new power pole. And then they'll get to me, or my street. Okay, here's my back driveway, which I won't be driving in or out of anytime soon. And there's my bamboo, and I hope this doesn't kill that, because it looks to be doing pretty good. Now my lonesome pine down there, that's not going to like this at all. It's had a heck of a time. It's amazing that it's still there, frankly. Hasn't been enough time for any life to develop in the water yet. I mean, it only appeared this morning. Last time I had all sorts of animals in here. It was amazing. I'm almost out of ice. I hope they get that power back soon. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh, I lost the pine tree. Oh my gosh. I had no idea. Man, that wind must have been a lot more than I thought it was. It just didn't hit the house in the usual way. It took out my fence and now it's taking out that tree. Son of a gun. Wow. Well, I know I can't make it through the whole path, but we'll see how far in I can get. A lot of debris in here already before the storm, and more after. Yeah, that stuff's all falling down. That's all new. That's all storm related right there. Yeah, right beside me. Okay. Yeah. There's no water around the other side of the house anyway, so I'm not enough to paddle in. Oh, son of a gun. Big old pine tree. Dang, man. And that didn't get blown down, that broke. You can see right at the base there, that snapped. That didn't get uprooted. Usually they get uprooted, that just snapped off at the base. That must have been one wicked gust that took that out. And that's what I was saying, you never know when that little microburst or special event in the middle of all this happens. You know, even in conditions that are not too extreme, there can always be that one outlying incident that takes things out. Now, here's my bamboo. I hope it likes the water. It's looking pretty good. Looking like next year I might have some actual bamboo shoots there. I mean, some actual, you know, good sticks of bamboo. Yeah, so there's my lower 40. We'll take a look at my pine here. Now the bottom branch, that hung in there for a long time. The one directly facing me, that hung in there for a long, long time. But it finally gave up about a year ago. A lot of pine needles floating around. That's amazing. I'd already cut down any trees that were a threat to the house or to the power lines. So there was no danger there. But it's still sad to see them go. I hated cutting down the ones I cut down. I like trees. Anyways, here's a look around. Happy day to you.